morning, students. Today we will discuss decimals simplification. Simplification means when in a question, when all operations are given, then how we can do the simplification. Let us discuss. As simplification in decimals can be done with the BODMAS rule as in fractions. So what is the full form of BODMAS? First B is for bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and last S is for subtraction. Okay, subtraction. Okay, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Let us discuss any question related to this rule. So question is 4.5 3.7 minus 3.6 divided by 1.2. How we can solve this question? For that, according to this rule, bracket off. There is no bracket and there is no off in this statement. So simply then division. We first solve this portion as division only. So this portion, how we solve, I already told you in the previous videos. You can go through them. Again I am solving here. We remove the decimal, that become 36. This become 36 upon 10 and divide by symbol as it is 12 upon 10. Now write another term as it is 4.5 plus 3.7 minus, now you can do the reciprocal of the last term. So what it become 36 upon 10 and this division symbol change to multiplication and this become 10 upon 12. Now you can cut 10 with 10. 12 ones are 12 and 12 threes are 36. So what it give you? Only 3. Remaining terms are, I am writing here 4.5 plus 3.7 and minus 3. These are our last terms that we got. After division we apply multiplication. There is no multiplication, then addition. Yeah, addition is there. And this is the simply addition. So I write this term here only so that you can better understand. It become 12, 1 carry here and it become, then we apply the decimal and write 8. So we got 8.2, then another term is minus 3. Now the last term is subtraction. We have to subtract this. We can simply write here 8.2 minus 3.0. Then what you got? We got, just wait, here we got 2 only, 2, and in the next term we got 5. So final answer will be 5.2. Hope you understand. Let us take another example. So in this question we have brackets and addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, all are there. So let us discuss. First we will solve simple bracket, then curly bracket. Now to remove this simple bracket, first we have to find out the subtraction of these. How we can find out what it become when you are subtracting from 1 0.8. Then what you got? For that we have to apply a 0 here also and put a decimal here so that we can easily subtract. Let us take 1 borrow, it become 10 and you got 2 and here you got 0, so 0.2. or 0.2. Directly I am writing here. Now we have to remove this curly bracket. For that, first we will convert this decimal into fraction. So what is become the decimal of fraction of this decimal number? That is 2 upon 10, because we are removing decimal. So we are solving the term 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 10. Now directly take the LCM, that become 10. 10 divide by 5, we got 2, and 2 multiply by this one become 2, plus this one is as it is, so it become 4 upon 10. Directly I am writing 4 upon 10 at the place of this term. So now our term become 3 decimal 16 plus 1 decimal 2 multiplied by 1 upon 4 minus 4 upon 10. Now we have to solve division. So division is here in this term. 3 divide by 16. So simply we can write like this also, 3 divide by 16. Then we have to use this with this in finding the LCM. So without writing the term in decimal, directly we can write 3 divide by 16 like this. Then next portion we have to solve is multiplication. So multiplication is in this portion. How we can solve? We convert this 1 decimal 2 into without decimal number, that become 12. I am applying the operation plus 12 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Okay. Now you can cut 4 ones are 4. 4 3s are 12, because these are in multiplication. So final term we have 3 upon 10. And this side minus 4 upon 10. In the final, I am going to erase the page and writing the new 3 terms. 3 upon 16 plus 3 upon 10 minus 4 upon 10. So just wait. Now simply we can solve addition first. Okay, now to solve this portion, we take the LCM of 16 and 10. So LCM becomes 16 and 10. We can divide it by 2. 2 8s are, 2 5s are. Now we have 3 terms. This one, this one. So 2 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5. What it become? It become 80. Write 80 as it is. And we divide by 16 divided by 80. What we got? We got 5. 5 multiplied by this 3, 15. Again divide 80 by this 10. This 10. We got 8. And 8 multiplied by this 3. We got 24. So 15 plus 24, what it become? It become 39 upon 80. Okay, now we are solving this term with the minus 4 upon 10. Again we have to take the LCM. So what become? I am writing here. As we know, when there is both numbers are one is multiple of other, then directly we can take the bigger number as LCM. So 80 we can take as LCM, or you can try to find out also. So 80 divided by 80, 1. 1 multiplied by 39, 39. 80 divided by 10, 8. 8 multiplied by 4, 32. Final answer what we got? 7 upon 80. So this is our answer, and you have to write again this answer in decimal form. For that, what you can do, just wait. We can write it as 7 divided by 10 multiplied by 8. So as there is 10, we can apply the decimal in above term. What it become? It become 0.7, and this one is 8 divided by 8. Now we have to divide this 0.7 with 8. Or directly you can divide only 7 by 80 also here. Okay. So 0 is already here. Decimal is already here. Now try to divide this 7 by 8. No, we are not able to divide. Then what we can do? We just take many zeros here this side. Now it becomes 70. Now divide by 8. 8 8 is 64. Yes, 70, 64. You can write 6. Take another 0 down. 60. Now add 7s are. 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. Now what you got? 4. I'm writing 4 this side. Then we are taking a 0 down. Now 8 5s are 40. So as final, we got the answer 0.875 for this complete question. 0 also here because we are not able to divide only 7. That's why we applied 0 here. And 875. Understand? Now let us discuss some more questions, that statement questions, and these are simple questions not related with simplification. The product of two numbers is, two numbers are there and their product is given. One number is also given. Find the other. How we can solve this question? To solve this question, move to the next page. Product of two numbers is given. You can write the complete line. I am solving in short. So product of two numbers is given 42 decimal 63, and one number is given, that is 2 decimal 1. We have to find another. What is the way? We will divide this number by this, then we able to find other. So how we can divide 42 decimal 63 divide by 2 decimal 1? As I already discussed in previous video, first remove the decimal of both numbers and then divide, or directly you can remove the decimal by applying 110 also. Another way also, that is 4263, and in divide portion we are going to write 100 and division as it is, and this become 21 upon 10. Now you can apply the fraction this rule also. So this become 4263 divided by 100, and this division symbol become multiplication, and do the reciprocal of this 10 upon 21. Now you can directly cut 0 with 0. Now here we can divide this 4263 with 21. So 21 1 21, 21 2s are 42, and then 0, and 21 3s are 63. So we got 203, and divide by 10. 203 divide by 10. Then we have to remove this 10. What we can do? We can write 20 decimal 3. So another number was 20 decimal 3. That is our final answer. Hope you understand. That's all for today. And I am giving you some questions related with simplify. Just wait. You can take the screenshot of these questions. These questions are related with simplification. So you can simplify these questions with BODMAS rule. Try this question. In the next video we will solve these questions. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.